Right, just want to get straight to the point. If you want to stream cloud gaming on your Steam Deck, you don't even need an Xbox, by the way. If you want to get it looking and running as smooth and good as this, then stay tuned in the video and I'll show you exactly how. Because it's 4 a.m. here and I'm making this video because I was so hyped, so impressed at how dramatically different this is compared to Microsoft's version. Okay, so you want to play Starfield on the Steam Deck, but you don't want to play at 10 frames a second because Bethesda can't make decent games that are optimized. So, what are the options? Okay, so you can stream via Microsoft solution. When I say solution, I mean that they offer you the option of using their Edge browser basically to stream cloud gaming through a browser, but that's crap because you don't get any options. The bitrate's all over the place, and it looks like turd 1 minute and it looks amazing the next, and you don't want that experience. So anyway, this is the solution to that problem. So as I said, Edge is a solution, yeah, but it's kind of like staying in a hotel room where it's literally just an empty room with one bed. I mean, you can do it, you can stay there, but you want something a bit more than that. So xbPlay comes in, and it's like having it's like staying at the whatever, insert good hotel here, basically. I don't know why I use that analogy, but anyway, trust me, this is really good. But yeah, I mean, this combo, it really is the dream, like the dream combo. It's like all these exclusives that you'd normally kind of miss out on or not be able to get immediately. It's like it just works amazing. Just remember, before I don't want to keep repeating myself, but just do not use the Edge version because it's going to be an inferior experience. Use this version I'm about to tell you now. Right, so we're finally at the tutorial. Here we go. Right, so you go to the Discovery Store, Discover, in desktop mode, and you go to the top there and you type in the name, xbPlay. Install that, really easy, nothing complicated there. Once it's installed, go to your installed apps, right click on it, go to Add to Steam. It couldn't be easier. So when you switch back to gaming mode, you're not going to see it looking like this. You're going to see an empty shortcut under non-Steam games with no artwork. I've added the custom artwork, but anyway, find where it is under non-Steam games, load it up, and you will be greeted with a login screen. Now, if you're anything like me, you don't like entering your password on third-party applications in case you get hacked. This Don't worry about it, right? Because what you do is you go to sign in, you can have a one-time code sent to your email, enter that code into the box. After retrieving it from email, you're good to go. Don't even need to enter your password. So for those that are paranoid, don't worry about it. Anyway, moving on. So you'll be logging in, and if you give it a moment, eventually after putting your one-time code in, you will be given the screen that you're about to see here. And yeah, here we go. Very simple. What we need to focus on is the second one down, which is xCloud. Click on that. You can even choose which server you want to connect to. How about that? So you click on that and simply choose what game you want. And the good thing about this is it will ask you if you want to actually add the game title to your Steam library. So you don't even have to go through the cloud client. How good's that? Anyway, let's get into a game. So this is Starfield, and it looks bloody amazing. And it runs really well as well. No input lag to speak of. It's gorgeous and it runs perfectly. So let's tweak some settings. There's two main ones. If you click those buttons, it will bring you up with a settings box. Click on that, and you want to go to this box titled Advanced, and you click on that, and this is where you put your bitrate settings. And you might want to freeze the video here and start with my settings and work backwards. You set a minimum video bitrate and the maximum. Yeah, save yourself some time, just copy those for now. Anyway, go back into those settings, click on Clarity Boost, go to Sharpness, and the second option down, once I click on the button, is high pass filter. You want to enable that, set it to about 0.8, save and exit, job done. This should be everything you need to get started. You can start to tweak the settings based on your own connection, but as you can see, it's gorgeous. I mean, this is Gears of War that I played. It looks absolutely amazing. It's like you're running it locally. It's another screenshot that I took. There's a video in a moment that I'll let you see. But yeah, It looks great. This is a short video. I'll let you just watch a bit of this. I didn't really know what to show because, I mean, the area that I'm in, it doesn't really make for much exciting. Plus, I'm trying to control it with one hand. I'm trying to show you the input lag here, but it doesn't really come across. There's barely any. I mean, it's not really noticeable, to be honest. I don't have any issues with it at all. Anyway, I'm going to switch to some other content. And of course, these are my settings. You can change them, tweak them, um, get it running exactly as you want. Again, I'll just let this run for a little while because a lot of people no doubt will want to see exactly how it looks. Really good looking game. I mean, you wouldn't have a hope of running this natively on the Steam Deck, getting it looking like this, again, due to Bethesda's clonery. But yeah, there's one quick thing I wanted to mention. When you download xbPlay, it will be a trial version. So what you want to do is unlock the full version, and you do have to pay for the full version, but it's only £4.99, or your regional equivalent. And what you want to do is, it's a bit weird. So you download the app, you go to settings and click on remove ads or upgrade, one of those options. Then it'll put you to your Play Store or your iOS store, buy the upgrade, and then you'll need to boot a cloud game up on your mobile device once. I think I remember reading. So do that, boot it up for a few seconds on your phone, and then come out of it, and you should, yeah, and restart the app on your Steam Deck, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.